Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on background downloads in Telegram on your iPhone. If your Telegram downloads stop when you leave your app, you need to enable background downloads. I'll walk you through the quick and easy steps to fix this. The first thing that you need to do is go to your profile, and then from there, scroll all the way down and find the data and storage. And after that, you will be able to see this option. You can choose whether using cellular or using Wi-Fi, depending on how speed of the internet connection. And you can also change the speed of downloading. You can also choose the type of media that you want to change the maximum video size to preload this type of media. And that's how you turn on background downloads in Telegram on your iPhone. I hope that this video helps you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.